Okay, it's Christmas. I want to wish you a
Me too.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll try not to be so grumpy next time.
Yeah.
Anyways, hope you guys all had a good day. Really thanks for watching and stuff, and listening to me when I get carried away. Sorry for the swearing. What can I say? We're human. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Blazer here is, let me put this as a response. Telling me about the birds and the suet. Okay, so there's the one bird. Whoops. Okay, so there's the one bird. Whoops. Oh no, that's a different one. No, maybe not. Jeez, he's really fluffed up. Oh, there's the guy I was talking about. That guy there. He was the one that used to come over all the time. Okay, and he pecks up there. And meanwhile, down here, well, you can see the tracks. That's where the magpies hang out, hey? There'll be a magpie somewhere around here. I don't know what that guy is. Looks like the thrush, maybe? I don't know birds that much. Got more birdhouses out there. Should put Christmas lights on those ones for him. But yeah, he holds his own pretty good against the old magpies. He likes the peanut butter ones better, eh? There, he just knocked down something, so imagine the magpies are watching. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, here comes one. Where the heck did he go? There he is. So there's about 4 of those guys. I think they're all family. They're all from the same family, eh? So, yeah, they hang like smart birds, magpies. Look at that. Yeah, silly bird. Tunneling. Heading to China. Anyways, yeah, they're kind of fun watching birds. There's my dragon out there all covered in snow. There's a gold dragon. Okay, anyways, I should get back to making my tarts.